is aquaponics better than hydroponics? And just because I've got aquaponics on here doesn't mean I'm biased at all. Holy catfish! It's the aquaponics lady! Aquaponics versus hydroponics, which is better? Well, we'll start off first off by saying that aquaponics is a living ecosystem. Okay? It's a living ecosystem in a man-made design. So we have it in a nice little enclosed area, but aquaponics is actually a living ecosystem. We have fish, and they provide nutrients for the veggies. We have nitrifying bacteria that convert that fertiliser to make sure that it's being absorbed by the veggies, and the veggies then filter the water for the fish. Ecosystem, everything is working together. It is a beautiful, harmonious relationship, which is awesome. But the water is cycling through the system constantly. Bonus, we're not using lots and lots of water. We don't need to do water exchanges, even better. It's just, it runs itself. We top it up and we manage an ecosystem. Hydroponics, on the other hand, is an artificial growing method. Okay, there's no fish. You might want fish as pets, or you might not want them. You might want to eat the fish, you might not. That's a question, you know, one of the benefits of aquaponics, pets or food, or, you know, hydroponics is just completely irrelevant. Hydroponics, you need synthetic nutrients, so that it's not natural. Fish is not natural waste, natural fertiliser. It is completely synthetic, and it's in an artificial environment. And artificial environment does keep a lot of the pests at bay. There is a bonus there, but you have to balance all of the nutrients that you put in, and they are synthetic nutrients that you put in. They are high in salt, and you need to remove that, and that is then waste that needs to be disposed of appropriately. Please don't just throw it down the sink or down into the water sources. That's just a really bad option. It really affects our natural ecosystem for the rest of the world. But that's the thing. Hydroponics is not sustainable in that way. So hydroponics or aquaponics, there is a difference. Personally, as I'm a very sustainable person, I love my aquaponics system. I prefer an ecosystem rather than a synthetic artificial system. That's a me thing, but some people, you know, different preferences, and some people do both. That's the difference. Ecosystem, artificial synthetic growing method, which is hydroponics.